This is a project that's a partnership between Hume Council, Dianella Health, Kenley Court Neighbourhood House and Banksia Gardens Community Centre, and basically the idea was to give girls in primary school opportunity to play sport after school.
The physical environment was itself critical, and then we come up with, okay, let's do it within this school environment because one, this is more accessible for girls and the families. The second is more convenient, and the third it gives the feeling of that safety, so parents feel comfortable to let their girls play in the school's environment.
Other than our ordinary PE, obviously part of the school curriculum, we don't have any other existing sports programs currently. In the past we have had some incursions, but in terms of out of school hours sports programs, this was the first.
The project started out with not really knowing what reach we'd have, and we thought we might get 6 girls if we were lucky.
Programs like this are really important, just to try to engage girls a lot more, because sometimes they're kind of left out or they don't feel as confident in joining programs where it's girls and boys.
I am Anshi and I'm 11 years old.
I'm Ara and I'm 11 years old and we're best friends.
In this program the cost was quite low, it was very low, only $20 per term, but nevertheless that's $20 on top of other household expenses that families have, of course.
For many people, they have low expectations that girls would participate in sport, and this gets played out on a daily basis in Hume, where girls might not necessarily feel comfortable in participating in sport, particularly when sports become quite accessible for, say, their brothers or their male peers. So there's expectation that as girls get older that they shouldn't become involved in sports, so that it becomes chicken and egg, that they might not feel comfortable and therefore they don't expect to have the sports available to them.
To celebrate the end of this program, I suppose in the holidays we have an upcoming clinic where the girls will be participating. The girls who've been in this program will be participating in a game of soccer against the girls that have been in the program at other schools. So that will be a really good opportunity for them to actually put the skills that they've learned into practice and play a game. So hopefully that will inspire them to carry on and tell their friends and talk to each other and encourage others to participate in sports as well.
I love the fact that this program gives girls the opportunity to work in a team, to develop their confidence in being with other girls, develop their confidence in their sporting skills, and I guess a sense of resilience.
The program was 4 till 5:30 every Monday afternoon through term 1 and term 2. So their first day was just learning new skills and that they may not have known or had learnt before. So there's a lot of teaching earlier on. As we came towards the end of the program, it was a lot more games, so a lot of skills put into practice.
The girls that I've seen have been very enthusiastic. They've said that they've really enjoyed their time, particularly the social aspect of it. For some of them it wasn't even that they particularly loved soccer, but they loved spending the extra time with their friends after school.
When we spoke with the families, they were also telling about, because yes, the schools, we found it really friendly, really comfortable environment, and they really want their girls to play sports now.
So all the girls are registered as community participants, so that's a lower level of participation than club participants, but it gives the girls into the Football Federation.
One of the exciting things that we've seen in this program is having a female coach as a great role model, and I think this can extend to these girls having their younger sisters see them participating and asking their parents. Then the flow-on effects can be absolutely can be huge.
A lot of the feedback we got is that after school we just kind of go home and kind of do nothing. So it was really nice to see that they're excited to be outside, even in the cold weather as well, in the rainy weather. They were super excited to slip around and still kind of commit to the program. So we really try to pick kids out who are role models and just get them to take a little bit more of a mentorship role. You could kind of see that they were really trying to really include girls who are a little bit more shy or a little bit more quiet.
We would try to inspire them because before we also thought that probably that isn't our sport, but then we feel like we're getting
If we can get girls to join a club or get involved in a different sport, it is probably a huge success on my part to kind of see that or hear that girls want to do that.